Hi, I'm Christy with WTI, and this is Moose. You know, finding the right grooming tools for your pet isn't always easy, but this brush from MalsiPree is truly unique because it's a two-in-one brush. I love this. So on one side, you have an undercoat rake. So what I will do when I go to brush our dog is I use the rake first. This does a really good job of just loosening everything up. And then I go over his coat again with the dematting comb. And I notice with this two-in-one design, the amount of hair that I pull from him is absolutely amazing. Now, our dog is about 90 pounds, so brushing him is a chore, but with the ergonomic design of this handle and how long it is, it makes it very comfortable. The comb design is great for the pet too, because on both sides of this comb, the edges are nice and smooth. So it creates a really comfortable grooming experience. You can tell Moose is thoroughly enjoying himself while he's getting brushed. The more often I use this, I notice the less hair I pull, which is actually great. That means it's doing a good job and there's going to be less hair in my home and more of it outside, which is absolutely what I prefer. So if you're looking for a great grooming tool, this is perfect. I've never seen a brush with the two-in-one design. I absolutely love it. And that's our point of view.